Today I'm going to show you how to group elements in Framer quickly and correctly so you can keep your designs organized and you make editing much easier. This is a simple but really useful workflow if you're building pages with multiple components, text blocks, buttons, or sections that need to move together as one. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Framer tips and easy step-by-step guides. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Framer. Make sure you're inside the canvas where all of your design elements are visible. To group elements, you first need to select the items you want to combine. The easiest way to do that is by holding Shift and clicking each element one by one. As you click through, Framer will keep adding each item to your selection, so you can choose exactly what you want included in the group. Once you have all the elements selected, press Ctrl G on your keyboard. This is the shortcut that groups the selected elements together into one unit. After that, you'll notice that the elements now behave as a single grouped object, which makes it much easier to move, align, and manage them without accidentally shifting individual parts out of place. Grouping is especially helpful when you want to organize layout sections, create reusable content blocks, or keep related design pieces together while you continue editing the rest of your page. Instead of moving multiple objects separately, you can grab the group and reposition everything at once. That saves time and helps keep your workflow clean and efficient. If you ever need to adjust the group later, you can still click into it and edit the individual elements inside. So grouping doesn't lock you out of your design, it just gives you a better way to manage it. This is one of those small Framer shortcuts that can make a big difference when you're working on larger projects. So to recap, open your project, hold Shift and click each element you want to group, then press Ctrl G to combine them. That's all it takes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Framer tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.